Why is this event considered historical? This event is considered historical because a lot of Filipinos died and it wasn't given much justice. How does my opinion as a citizen towards this event help in improving my country? My opinion will help them because it will help them in being aware of the surroundings, because as citizens we need to be fully aware of what's happening in our country because it's our responsibility and it's also our duty, so that in this way we could actively participate with what's going on and we could contribute to finding a solution to it. Why is public opinion important? Public opinion is important because it influences the decision of our government, and with that, their decisions could affect us directly and indirectly. So it's very important that we give logical and rational public opinion so that the government could also make and establish things that is also logical and rational. How can I use media in making my country a better community? Right now, almost every one of us has the access to media because of the fast pace of technology. Therefore, if we want to announce something or if we want to let the public know about a certain situation, it is best if we do it in the public. However, we have to be very careful because even though the media is, we should also be sensitive with the message that we give in to these people, because like what I said, it will affect them and it will affect all of us. And with that, yes, thank you.